So guys, if you want to know or see how I made this special peppered coconut rice, just watch this video till the end. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your Gavin of Benny's Kitchen. How is everyone doing? Guess you guys are doing so great. So today's recipe, I'm preparing this sakpa coconut rice. Yes, sakpa coconut rice, because I'm not going to be using much ingredients. So on the table, I have the pepper. It is called sakpa peppered coconut rice. So you can see I have all just peppers here. I have Tatashe, I have Shomgbo, and I have Scotch Bonnet there. I'll just take out the seed, then I'll blend it coarsely. I have rice here. I'm using local rice because whenever I'm preparing my sakpa coconut rice, I like using the local rice. So as you can see here, it's already parboiled. But if you don't want to parboil yours, you can just cook directly. I have my Bala smoked fish. I've already washed and deboned, salt, chopped onions. Then I have coconut here. I'm going to be using 2 coconuts for this. Then I have my crayfish. I have my cooking oil. And I have meat stock, which is optional. If you don't want to use, you don't use. Then I have my cubes. So these are just the simple ingredients I'm using for my sakpa peppered coconut rice. So you can see I've already broken the coconut. I don't want to bore you with breaking it. So what I'll do now, I'll just take it out from the shell and I'll remove the back. I have to scrape the skin. So what I'm going to do now. So guys, I'll just take it out from the shell. Then if you want to get plain, that is correct white coconut milk, then you have to take out this back like this. If you want the milk to be so white. But if you cannot do that, you don't have the time, you can just blend like that. So when I'm done doing this, I'll just cut the coconut into smaller chunks, then blend to be very smooth. So you can see this is what I have here. You can see I've taken out the brown back out, but I like the skin now. I've taken it all out. That's what I'm going to do for all the broken coconut. Then I'll cut it into smaller chunks, wash it very well, then I'll blend. So my people, after blending, after all the hard work, I didn't want to bore you with that. So this is what we have here. This is the coconut liquid and the shaft. So you can see my sieve cloth now. So I'll now pour it into this bowl so I can take out the shaft, then get the milk out. I have a video where I prepare coconut milk. You can go and check it so you know how to do that if you don't know how to do it. You just have to take it easy. Yeah. If you don't have this cloth, you can use your sieve. But make sure the sieve will have tiny holes so you don't have any particles in it. So this is our coconut milk. We have to squeeze very well to get out all the milk. As for the shaft, you might not need to throw it away. You can use it for your coconut swallow and you can use it to make cookies, coconut cookies. So guys, this is what we have here. Our coconut milk is ready. You have to squeeze very well. So you take it out. Let me show you how the shaft looks like. You can see how soft it is. You can dry it and use it to do coconut flour. So I'll take it out, then let us start the cooking. So guys, you can see the pot is on the fire now and it's hot, so I'll pour in some cooking oil. Allow it to be hot. You don't need to add too much cooking oil because your coconut milk already has oil, so don't put so much of it. So the oil is hot now. I'll just pour in the chopped onions and allow it to fry and fry and fry and fry. So the onions is still frying and it is okay now. I'll now add in my finely chopped peppers because it is called pepper coconut rice. If you know you cannot withstand heat, don't add as much as I'm adding. So this will have to cook very well so it doesn't slap you when you are eating. So I'll cover the pot and let it keep cooking. So guys, this is what we have. The aroma in my kitchen is awesome when we are not yet done. So I'll add in some cube. So this is crayfish I'm adding. Like I said, we don't need too much ingredients for our sakpa peppered coconut rice. Add in some salt. Take it easy with your salt. Wow, I'll just add the fish right to take in the juice. Sakpa peppered coconut rice. Try it and the family will so enjoy this. So now I'll bring in our parboiled rice. So this is the parboiled rice. I'll just stir everything very well so that every grain will have a feel of the pepper. You can see I've stirred it very well. Then I'll now bring in our coconut milk. So I'll just pour it in. Then I have this meat stock. I'll just add it too. So this is it. But this is optional. If you don't have it, not to worry. You can just add your water. So I'll stir very well and check if the salt is okay. You can see how the face of our peppered coconut rice is. I'll just add in some little more salt, just little. Wow, the taste is so awesome. Then I'll just top it with some more crayfish. This our rice is mainly so good with enough crayfish. So I'll cover the pot now, lower the heat and let it just start steaming gently. So my people, this is after 20 minutes. This is what we have here. You can see that water is drying. Let me check if it has dried. Okay, it has not finished drying. I didn't add any other water, just the coconut water I used. That's why I boiled the rice. After some time, I just had to lower the heat. Let's just be cooking with the steam. And here we are. My kitchen is filled with coconut aroma. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you have been following me, thank you so very much. Keep liking my videos and keep sharing my videos. I am here because of you. Without you, I won't be here. So guys, I'll just combine everything together now, and our peppered coconut rice is ready. See what we have here. I love the color. I don't want it to burn, so I have to stir everything together. Wow! You can pair this with some fried plantain or coleslaw. I'm going to be taking mine with fried plantain. So I'll turn off the heat now. I will serve. So guys, get your plate. Let us take our coconut rice. Don't come for me because some say the rice is overcooked. The rice is sticking. No, I use local rice and this is just how it's supposed to be. And you can use long grain rice for yours, but I just prefer using this local rice when I'm preparing this my peppered coconut rice. Wow, the aroma here, just get your spoon, get your plate and join me. Like I said, I'll pair mine with some plantain. I like keeping my plantain. If you like keeping your plantain, raise your hand up. Or if you like to do normal slicing, whichever you prefer, just do that. So guys, this is what I have for you today. I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. Keep liking, keep sharing, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.